Good morning, it's the 23rd of June and this is your daily outlook. The US dollar rose yesterday after the Federal Reserve interest rate decision, where policymakers decided to keep rates unchanged at 0.25%. Focus turned to the following press conference by the Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke, where he said that the quantitative easing programme will end on schedule by the end of June and also signalled no further stimulus. Bernanke's comments emphasised on inflation and the central bank's determination to maintain price stability, and these comments gave the dollar a boost and pushed it higher against a basket of currencies. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar jumped to 80.63 from 80.01. The euro plummeted against its major counterparts yesterday as investors remain cautious on the eurozone debt crisis. The Greek government won the vote of confidence on Tuesday night, but the question is whether the Greek parliament will approve the unpopular new austerity plan on June 28th. An approval of the new austerity measures will increase expectations for another loan tranche by the International Monetary Fund in order to avoid a catastrophic Greek default. Against the stronger dollar, the euro fell to 142.83 from 144.41. The Australian dollar fell sharply against the stronger dollar today after data showed China's factory growth underperformed in June. The poor Chinese data is a result of tightening in monetary policy and a slowdown in global demand. Against the dollar, the Aussie slid as low as 105.32 from 106.50. Sterling dipped after the Bank of England meeting minutes revealed a dovish stance by the MPC policymakers. Against the dollar, sterling fell to a 2.5-month low at 160.17 from 165.46 as interest rates are expected to remain at record low levels as downside risks to growth remain a concern. Oil prices fell to $93.68 a barrel during the US session from $95.67. Gold rallied to $1,544.50 an ounce from $1,557.99, and silver also ticked lower to $36.05 an ounce from $36.74. Now let's take a look at the currencies to watch out for. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 143.60 with a preference to enter in short positions at 143.50. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 80.25 with a preference to enter into long positions at 80.30. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 106.15 with a preference to enter into short positions at 106.15. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 161.10 with a preference to enter into short positions at 161. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 0.9775 with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.9775. Let's have a look now at commodities. The oil pivot point is at 92.85 with a preference to enter into long positions at 92.85. The gold pivot point is at 1541 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1541. And the silver pivot point is at 35.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 35.90. Today's calendar of market movers are US initial jobless claims, which are forecast to rise to 415,000, and the US new home sales in May forecast to fall to 0.31 million. Now on to equity markets. US equities were negative yesterday with the SP 500 down 0.65% and the Dow was down 0.66%. European bourses were negative with the FTSE down 0.04%, DAX was down 0.10% and the CAC was down 0.15%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 0.13% and the Hang Seng was down 0.79%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.